Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play around with some color and some gemstones and do a fun look for you all. So if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my skin, and today I'm going to use the Clarins SOS Primer. It says it boosts radiance, and this is in the shade 00 Universal Light. So now that my skin is all prepped, I'm gonna go with foundation. I think today I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder foundation sample that I still have. It's the Futurist Hydrating Foundation, I believe. I'll leave all the products I'm using in the description bar below, so all the names and shades will be down there, so make sure to check that out. So I'm gonna apply this using my Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm going to conceal, and like always, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. And I'm going to put this under my eyes, along my jawline area, and a little bit down the center of my face, just because this foundation is a little bit dark for me. So I just want to lighten it up. Next, I'm going to bronze, and today I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to take that on my e.l.f. Flawless face brush. Next, I'm going to bake my face, and for that I'm going to use the Coty Airspun powder. And this is in the shade Naturally Neutral. So I'm going to put this under my eyes, along, like under my cheek where my bronzer is, and then on my eyes as well. Today for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Colourpop Honey palette. A few of the shades in the palette are broken and shattered all over the place, so instead of showing the palette like I normally do in my videos, I'm going to try to get a picture up on the screen with the different shades that I'm using. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Stinger, and I'm going to take that on a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease as my transition color. Next, I'm going to mix between the shades Sweet Spot and Oh Behave, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease as well. Next, I'm going to take the shade Totally Buggin', and I'm going to take that on my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to run that into my crease and start to focus it on the outer corner of my eye. On the same brush, the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take the shade Buzzkill, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to focus it mainly on the outer corner and then run it into the crease a little bit. Next, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer and my Morphe M421 brush for that. When I do half cut creases, halo eyes, anything where there's concealer on my eyes, I like to do it one eye at a time. So next I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 brush in the shade Buzzkill, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner and then tap it over where the concealer meets the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take the shade Sunburst, and I'm going to take that on a eyeshadow packing brush, and I'm going to put that where the concealer is on the lid. And now I'm just going to do everything I did on this eye to this eye. Off camera, I just wiped off my baking powder, and to do that, I used the same powder, the Coty Airspun powder, and then I just used a big fluffy brush and basically just wiped it all off from wherever it was. So next I'm going to do blush. Today I'm going to use my Morphe Blush Trio and Pop of Blush, and I'm going to use this shade right here called Sexy. And I'm going to take that on an angled blush brush and just put that on my cheeks. Next for highlighter, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution highlighter Reloaded in the shade Just My Type. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe M510 brush and also my e.l.f. Eye Crease brush. Off camera, I just did my eyebrows, mascara, and some eyeliner, and now I'm going to apply false lashes, and today I'll be using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha, and to apply them I'll be using the House of Lashes glue. I'm gonna do my lower lash eyeshadow now. So I'm gonna dip back into the shade Buzzkill, and this is just a little shader brush, and I'm gonna put that along my lower lash line. And next I'm going to take the shade Sweet Spot and Oh Behave and blend that shade out. And then I think I'm going to take the shade Sunburst and pack it on the inner part of my eye. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara on my lower lashes. For lips today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in the shade Butterscotch. Okay, so for rhinestones, these are the ones I have. I got them at Michael's. I think they have a sticky back already, but just to be safe, I'm probably going to put eyelash glue on the back of them just so they stick better. Now I don't really have an idea for what I want to do with these or how I'm going to place them or anything. So I'm just kind of going to go with the flow and see what happens. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I like how it looks. It's pretty fun. So now the hard part is gonna be getting it to look the same on this eye. And I think I'm gonna do that off camera. So that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.